Welcome back to the studio. I'm Michael. So Bitcoin and the entire crypto market has been trading sideways over the last few weeks, but the good news is that within the next 7 days, we are expecting to see a massive breakout. We're going to either see a breakout to the upside or breakout to the downside, but we're going to talk about both of the price targets for this depending on what data comes out. So first thing, most important, is that on July 13th, 2022, we're going to be seeing that the US Bureau of Labor Statistics is going to release the June CPI data. Historically, whenever we see the CPI data released, we see big movements in the market. And what we're going to expect is economists are already expecting that we're going to see increases all across the board for CPI. The good news here is that we have seen that Bitcoin's price over the last few weeks has been in a very tight range between $18,000 and $22,000 per coin. The good news, like I said, is that we have seen that the Bollinger Bands have finally started to narrow. And historically, whenever we see these Bollinger Bands narrow on the daily charts for Bitcoin, whenever we have seen this happen, it usually indicates that a new trend is about to happen. We're either going to see a trend towards the upside, a breakout, or towards the downside. The two things that we need to keep in mind, whether it's going to see a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside, is going to be if we can see Bitcoin's price close above $21,700 per coin on the daily charts. If we could see a $21,700 per coin daily close or higher, that would indicate that we are likely going to see a breakout towards the upside, back towards that $25,000 per coin range. If we see a daily close below $18,800 per coin, that is going to make a lower low on daily closes, and then that is going to push us further down towards around that $14,000 to $15,000 per coin range. So keep an eye out on these daily closes over the next couple days leading up to this CPI data, because that is going to indicate really where the market is going. And like I said, historically, whenever we see the Bollinger Bands start to narrow, that is when we are just about to see a new trend take place. And we can't say for sure it's going to be towards the upside. We can't say for sure it's going to be the downside. We just need to keep an eye out on those two numbers, those daily closes, in order to help us predict where the market will be going. But like I've said in a lot of previous videos, the market bottom looks like it has already been in, or it is very close to being in. So me, at this point, if I'm doing any sort of medium to long-term position, they are all long positions. They are all betting that the price is going to be going up, because long-term, getting in around $20,000, $19,000, $21,000 per coin is where I want to be getting into Bitcoin, because I'm expecting we will definitely see at least $100,000 per coin Bitcoin in the coming years. No question. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Be Crypto. Be Crypto is a secure crypto wallet software that gives you full ownership of your crypto while also offering up to 27.4% APY for storing crypto and stablecoins. It is available on iOS and Android via the app stores, and it offers everything you need to do with your crypto. You can easily buy Bitcoin and other crypto in under 5 minutes, swap cryptocurrencies without leaving the app. You can track charts, prices, and you can keep your crypto safe from hackers and scammers. Be Crypto offers a number of different cryptocurrencies. Some of them are BTC, XRP, Tron, USDT, TRC20, and many more. And they are currently developing their very own BIC stablecoin. This is not an algorithmic stablecoin like some of the others that have launched as of recently. It is a fully backed GBP stablecoin with an issue of 1 billion coins at the moment. This is an extremely secure place to store your crypto and is insured for up to $2.5 billion on their custodial assets. Be Crypto has all the necessary licenses, registrations, and is fully verified. Not only this, but unlike some other crypto wallets, each BN Crypto user receives a seed phrase so they can restore their wallet if necessary, and they are the only person with full access to their account. With over $6 billion transacted on BN Crypto, is definitely a very trusted, very secure platform, and I think it's worth checking out. So use my link in the description, check out BN Crypto today, and let me know your thoughts on it. But let's get back to the program. Next thing I want to talk about, though, is going to be other good news, because we have seen that Stablecoin balances have increased dramatically. We've seen the balances for USDC specifically increase, and all across the board, USDT, USDC, BUSD, and all the other top stablecoins. The total in these stablecoins has increased to $140 billion. And the important thing here is that all of this money is waiting on the sidelines, being ready to get deployed back into Bitcoin and altcoins. And what we have seen historically is that we have never seen a higher amount in stablecoins. Back just 2 years ago, we saw that there was $7 billion in stablecoins. Now it's over $140 billion. So what that means is that a lot of people are waiting on the sideline, getting ready to deploy capital back into the market. And we can see that USDC is actually catching up very quickly to Tether. And I, as of recently, have preferred using USDC because of all of its partnerships it has with major investment banks and institutions. So I actually have been using USDC more as of recently. But like I said, all across the board, these balances have been continuing to increase, meaning that people are getting ready to put that money back into the market when they see an opportunity arise. And it doesn't mean that that prices are definitely going to go up right away. But what we are seeing is that people wouldn't be keeping money in stablecoins if they didn't have any plans of putting it back into the market, putting it back into Bitcoin. So that is really good news. Last thing I want to talk about is going to be with Reddit, because Reddit is releasing blockchain-based avatars, but they are specifically avoiding the words NFT. So even though these collectible avatars are going to be released in the coming weeks on Polygon's blockchain, they're specifically avoiding using the terminology NFTs for this. Let me know your thoughts as to why they are avoiding this. Me personally, I think they are avoiding using the term NFT because we have seen the market crash as of recently for NFTs. The market for crypto has crashed. They're trying just to make it digital collectibles to not tie it to the crypto market and NFT market as closely. I think there's a bit of a stigma around the word NFT right now, so they are trying to stay away from it. But ultimately, they say that they see in the future them using digital collectibles and NFTs significantly more on their platform, as they already started doing in 2021. But that is something that is good, seeing more companies, tech companies, integrate crypto and NFTs into their business. So that's what's really going on in the crypto market. Trying to keep this one short and concise. And if you appreciate that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.